What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop sharing files and folders or you need to manage the access of your files and folders from OneDrive. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar, type in Microsoft Accounts. After typing, you will see the first official website of Microsoft Accounts. Click on that website and after that, you will be redirected to the login or sign up page of Microsoft Accounts. So if you are new there, just simply click on create a free account and then enter your email, password and other credentials to create your new Microsoft Accounts account. But if you already have an account, click on sign in and then you will be automatically logged into the Microsoft accounts. Now, after coming to the Microsoft accounts, on the left side, you can see the app launcher. Click on that app launcher and then you will see the application of OneDrive. Click on that OneDrive application and then this dashboard will open wherein if you are new to OneDrive, click on create a free account or if you already have a OneDrive account, click on sign in. So after login or sign in, you will be welcomed to the homepage of OneDrive. Now from here on the left side, click on my files and then choose the file that you want to manage the access of. Let's say I want to manage the access of this file. I'll just hover it and then click on this checkbox. And when I click on this checkbox, you can see these three dots. Click on these three dots once and then you will see the option to manage access. Click on it once and then a pop-up window will open wherein you can control all your manage access, your sharing links, and the people that you want to share dedicatedly. So this is how this window will appear. Here you can see this file has not been shared with anyone yet. I'll just click on start sharing and I can add some dedicated members that can only see this file, no one else. And when I come to groups and families, I can share it with a specific group or family I want. And when I come to the links section, I can create and share a new link to the members that I only want to send. So this is how you can stop sharing files and folders to everyone, or you can manage the access of your files and folders in OneDrive. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.